Something new has surfaced around the Luna Ultra, and this is probably what many of you have been waiting for. A newly leaked video from China has appeared online showing what looks like a Luna Ultra unboxing. The unboxing itself is pretty straightforward, a few documentation booklets, the device itself, and not much else. But the real interesting part is what the leaked footage reveals about the camera and its modular system. From the leaked UI, we can already see several recording details on the screen, including 4K 60 frames per second recording, a one-time zoom indicator, and an estimated remaining runtime of around 1 hour and 32 minutes. But what stands out most is the battery interface. On the top right corner, the UI shows two separate battery percentages at the same time, one for the main camera body and another for the detachable module, which further supports the modular approach shown in earlier leaks. When the status panel expands, those indicators simply become larger and easier to read. The interface clearly treats them as two separate hardware components rather than one single device. Now here's the part many of you were especially curious about, the microphone setup. If you've seen the DJI Pocket 4, DJI uses a 3-mic arrangement placed around the body for directional audio capture. The Luna Ultra appears to follow a somewhat similar approach, with multiple small microphone-like openings visible around the main camera body. But what makes the Luna Ultra more interesting is the detachable modular remote itself. There are no obvious microphone holes visible on the module, but the footage of someone speaking directly into the detached unit has sparked speculation that Insta360 may have integrated additional audio hardware into the removable module as well. A lot of viewers were hoping to see something like this, and now we may finally be getting an early look at how it works in real-world use. At least from the leaked footage, there doesn't appear to be any external microphone connected anywhere, which suggests the person is speaking directly into the detached module itself. Furthermore, the person detaches the modular display/controller, places the main camera unit at a distance on top of the building structure and in various other spots, and continues controlling it remotely while monitoring the live feed on the detached screen. Aside from the exaggerated posing, most of the functionality shown in that segment appears fairly consistent with the modular concept seen throughout earlier leaks. The clip also seems to showcase some of the intended use cases of the design, particularly remote monitoring and camera control from a distance. Moving on, the white Insta360 branded attachment shown in the leaked video appears more like a handheld microphone or presentation accessory rather than part of the actual Luna Ultra hardware bundle. Based on the leaked visuals, it seems to be attached externally and may simply be used for demo or promotional purposes. There's also a possibility that Insta360 is experimenting with a future docking or charging accessory. Since the Luna Ultra leaks heavily focus on modularity, it would make sense for the company to explore ways to dock, charge, or display the detachable remote separately from the main camera body. Well, that's it for this short update. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace.